bomba.
Hey everyone, it's Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video for you guys, and in today's video, this is the hairstyle that I'm going to be rocking today. So this wig is actually 2 years old, and I've done this hair color already on my channel, so I did not want to do the same hair color again. This look was actually inspired by SZA. She posted some pictures on her Instagram maybe a week ago by the time this video goes up, and I was just here for all of it. Her hair looked bomb, her makeup looked bomb. Now I would give credit for the hairstylist, but I don't know who the hairstylist is. If you guys know who the hairstylist is, just comment down below, let me know, because I like to give credit where credit is due. So yeah, I wanted to try and recreate the style, and that's what I did in today's video. So this wig right here is 2 years old, like I mentioned before, and I just recreated the style that she was wearing, and I also did a makeup look inspired by her. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look from start to finish, then please continue to watch. I already have my wig cap on, as you can see, and I'm going to be doing the ball cap method. Now if you are not new to my channel, then you've already seen me doing this. I'm using the Bold Hold liquid gold to apply the wig cap, and I'm just going to let it dry. Once it's dry, I'm going to go in with my scissors and I'm going to cut away all that excess cap that I don't need anymore. Now I'm going to go ahead and try my wig on just to see if it fits correctly. I'm sure it does, because this wig was customized for my head. I made this wig 2 years ago, you guys, and I don't think my head got any bigger. So yeah, she fits. However, you guys, when I made this wig, I didn't really know how to cut lace properly, so I did a really bad job of cutting the lace. So there's some mistakes with this wig, but whatever. Anyways, we're gonna move on to glue. So I'm gonna apply this glue to my forehead. I already applied my lace glue skin protector. I used a Bold Hold skin protector, but I didn't show that scene. I forgot to film it. But I applied it to my forehead, and then I apply the glue. I wait until the glue dries clear, and then I put the lace down onto the glue and melt it down. I'm using about 2 layers of glue, and I'm just using a rat tail comb. Well, this is actually an edge brush, but I'm just gonna go in with that, and I'm gonna melt down that lace, go in with my blow dryer on a cool setting and melt the lace down. I'm gonna do the same steps for the side as well. Now if you are new to wig application and glue, I have very detailed videos on how to apply your wigs. I will link it in the description bar down below. And as for this hair color, I have a tutorial on how I achieve the hair color as well, so I'll also link that in the description bar down below. Now, you know how I'm always saying in my video that the wig application is the hardest when it's the first time you're wearing a wig, because you have so many layers to cut away and you have to customize the wig hairline. I don't have to do that with this wig, because this is an old wig. It's already customized and the lace is already gone. So all I did was cut away any little excess lace that I had, and the application was a lot faster and easier. So now I'm going to go in with my hot comb, because I need to flatten her down, not make her look so bulky. And I'm going to create a side part, because SZA was rocking a side part when she posted the picture on her Instagram, and you guys know I love me some side part. So yeah, I'm just going in with my very hot comb that just burnt the crap out of me, and I'm just trying to like act like it didn't burn me, but yes, it did. It just burnt the hell out of me. Hot combs are no joke, okay? I'm no expert when it comes to cutting, you guys, but I'm using the Sharon comb, and honestly I love it. It makes my life a lot easier. So I'm gonna cut some layers into this wig, because the wig that she was wearing, it was a bit shorter than the one that I have right now. So I'm gonna be cutting my electric blue wig that I love so much just for this video. Yes, so I'm cutting some layers, and it's really easy. Like, that's it, I'm done, I'll finish. When I originally made this wig, I added some baby hairs to it, and the baby hairs on the wig is very dramatic, but you guys know I'm not really crazy about baby hair, but I was feeling it with this blue wig. And to be honest with you, when I first created this wig, the reason why I added baby hairs is because I actually stained the lace, so this was a good way to cover the blue stain on my lace. By the way, I added some hair mousse to my lace just to melt it down, and I tied it down, and I'm just gonna leave that on and go on to my makeup. So the first thing I'm gonna do is fill in my brows with the Benefits My Precisely Brow Pencil. I've been using it forever, probably 5-6 years now, and I'm just filling them in, and I'm going to go in with some Benefits brow gel as well. And then I'm going to take some concealer that is about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, or maybe a shade lighter, and I'm going to carve up my brows just to clean them up a bit because my brows look raggedy and I need to clean them up, make it look like I've got them done recently, and I haven't. Anyways, I'm going to use the same concealer and just apply it to my eyelid, and this is just going to act as a base for my eyeshadow. My skin's looking dry and crusty right now, so I'm going to apply the Fenty Skin Hydro Visor Invisible Moisturizer SPF 30. Guys, I freaking love this stuff so much. Like, do you see how my skin look like it's glowing right now? And it's SPF 30. Love it. So I applied it all over my face, but now I'm going to move back on to doing my eyeshadow. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette that I have not used in forever. So for my crease color, I'm using Rustic eyeshadow, and SZA's eyeshadow look was very soft, very soft neutral eyes. You know, I like my neutrals, so I'm just adding that into my crease, and I use a bigger fluffy blending brush. Now I'm going to go into the Dose of Color Baked Browns eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take this very light brown, the one beside the vanilla, and I'm going to pat this onto my eyelid. It's almost like the same color as my skin tone. She didn't really look like she had a lot of eyeshadow on. It was very matte look. And there's one step that I missed. I didn't realize that she actually had a blue liner, but I'm going to add that later on when I complete my eyes. So I'm going to go in with the NYX matte, no, I'm lying. This is the NYX Vinyl eyeliner, liquid liner. And I'm going to create a wing liner because she was rocking a wing liner. I feel like I haven't rocked a wing liner in forever. Now, I personally prefer the NYX Matte Black Liquid Liner, but I'm using the vinyl because that's all I have. And every time I go to the drugstore, I can never ever find the matte black. I'm just gonna have to order it online. I hope they did not discontinue it because it is my favorite. So yeah, this is what my liner is looking like right now. I want it to be a little bit thicker on the outer corner. I'm going to be rocking some false lashes today, like always, and I apply my mascara first. So I'm using the Texture Eyes in 579, and I'm actually going to be doing double lashes today. So I'm going to take the other lash and cut the outer corner and add it to the outer corner because I noticed the outer corner of SZA's eyes, the lashes were very full, very voluminous. So this is the closest thing I could get to it. So yeah, I'm just applying these on, and then we are moving on from the lashes. And for primer today, I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is just going to ensure that the makeup lasts all day long. I don't always use primer because sometimes I'm just like, whatever. But this works. It's good. So I apply it all over my face. And the children wanted to say hi, guys. And this is what my life is like filming videos all the time. Now we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to take the MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium Deep, and I'm using the orange to correct my under eye dark circles because, honey, I haven't been sleeping. I need to correct these. And you don't have to do this if you don't have dark circles, but I do. So this is an old school foundation, you guys. This is the black opal foundation. I was in the beauty supply store and I seen this and I was like, oh, you know what? Let me give this a try again. So I'm using the shade in Rich Caramel, and I must say it is a perfect match for my skin tone. So I'm going to apply this all over my face and neck and just blend this in with this foundation brush that I got from Morphe Jaclyn Hill collection. It is a super old brush, but it is perfect for this type of foundation. We're gonna move on to concealer, and I'm using Too Faced Conceal Contour and Highlight Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. So I apply it under my eyes, down my nose, by the corners of my mouth. You know, I'm just gonna be highlighting with this, and I'm using the Colored Rain blending sponge to blend in my concealer. Guys, I've tried so many concealers, and you know what? This is my absolute favorite because it doesn't crease as much. I find when you have tiny little wrinkles on your eyes, do expect a little bit of creasing, okay? Because them little wrinkles, they just don't want to stay hidden. But yeah, I'm feeling this base. Let me know what you guys think of this base because I'm here for the foundation. I'm loving it. So I'm going to go in with a foundation that is a few shades darker than my skin tone. I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC50. I love Studio Fix Fluid, and I love this for contour. So I'm applying it along the forehead areas, down my nose. I also apply it by the hollows of my cheek, and I think I did my jawline as well. I want the face to look snatched, okay? Now I'm going to go in with the Dual Fiber MAC brush and blend in that contour, blend in that foundation so we don't have any harsh lines. I also go in with my blending sponge as well just to help blend things out. And just to bronze up my skin and make that contour a bit more defined, I go in with a powder bronzer. This is the Matte Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. It's my favorite. And the brush that I use is also from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill collection. It's a contour brush. I'm going to move on to baking, and if you are not new to this channel, you know how I feel about baking. So I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder in the shade Honey, and I like to bake under my contour, under my jawline. Not my jawline, under my contour. And then for my under eyes, I do not bake the under eyes. I just pat that powder under the eyes, press it in so lightly. So no baking allowed under my eyes, because I will look like a dried up leather purse. Because yeah, no, I can't do that. So now I'm gonna go in with a little brush. This is from the BH Cosmetics. It's my Riri brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and press that powder in, dust away all that excess powder. I literally bake it for like 5 minutes. That's about it. That's it, and I'm done. And I'm gonna use this old blush. It's from MAC Cosmetics. Oh my gosh, I do not remember the name, but I will put it in the description bar down below. And I'm gonna apply this to the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm gonna go in with this highlight. This is from the Desi X Katie Dose of Colors collection, and this is the highlight in Fuego. And I'm going to use this fan brush from Morphe and apply it to the highest point of my cheekbones and at the tip of my nose and right down my nose as well to give it a nice little highlight. So now for my eyes, my daughter brought this to my attention. She showed me the picture of SZA's eyes, and SZA actually had black wing liner, and also she had a bluish purple wing liner as well on the top. So I went in with a blue eyeshadow and applied to the top of my lash line. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna create that foxy eye trend that everyone's doing. Like, I'm sorry guys, but it looks like a cat eye to me, but I guess it's a fox eye, whatever. So for the inner corner as well, I'm gonna apply a matte white eyeshadow just to highlight the inner corner, because she had a really nice highlighted inner corner with the foxy eyes. It looked really nice. So my makeup is pretty much completed, you guys. Now as for the lips, I did not have the clip of the lips, but I will put everything I put on my lips in the description bar down below. So as you can see now, I'm doing my hair because she had her hair with these curls flipped at the end. So I'm using my hot comb, not my hot comb, my flat iron, and I'm using it to curl my hair upwards. So I'm giving it that like old school flip situation, and I'm here for it. I'm loving how it's looking right now. And you guys, with this hair, I really didn't have to use any hairspray. This wig is old. She's a little dry now. So I just went in with this rounded brush and just brushed the curls out. And I'm here for it. So as for the side part, she had the hair behind her ear. It was given that very 90s style, and I was here for it. I love it. So this is pretty much the completed hair. I love this look. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of it. She also did a half up, half down with the bangs look as well with the same hair color. So I just included this in the video. So let me know what you guys prefer, the hair down or the half up, half down. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy my take on SZA's look. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this look, and I will see you in another video very soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Bye bye.